Hi everyone, Dennis Foley from Acoustic Fields. I think I've shot about 30 some videos in this last sequence, so I always want to go back to, after you spend months shooting these things and scripting them and stuff, and I always want to, reward what I've done a little bit for myself and for music and all of that stuff. So I was thinking today about music as a real close friend. And if you think about it, friendship is, a friend, you share a common communication that's beneficial for both of you. You might not agree on everything and all that. Who cares about all that? There's a consistency and a predictability in the friendship that you have with that person. When you see them, you're always glad to see them because you know how they are and you know the parts that and the reasons that you're friends. So that contributes to the longevity of the relationship because it's predictable and consistent. I don't even know if complementarianism is even a word, but I think you understand what I'm saying, and that's where music comes in. And the power of that play button. That is I think like bacon per square inch has a lot of flavor. Well, that button per square inch or per square millimeter has a lot of power, okay? And for me, in my studio, with work and, being in certain paradigms all the time and plate spinning and doing a lot of things that, a company requires of you. When you press that play button, everything makes sense again. Everything. It pushes out what has accumulated there like dust and dirt and replaces it with something that's very special. It's a friendship because it's consistent and predictable, and you just, you want to keep it. It's an important part of your life. It's really an important part of who you are. I spend probably 5 hours a day total if you tied it all together, not in one stretch, but hour here, hour there. I'm listening between videos doing these because doing these is fun, writing them and thinking about them. It's fun, but they're a lot of effort and work. So I would rather be in the room listening. I would rather press that play button because then it's just me and the music. Boy, that's a wonderful friendship to have. So just the joy I get out of my dedicated rooms, if you're thinking about it, do it for yourself. We'll help you step by step. It's complicated, but we have processes. We make the complicated simple and get you the quality of room that you want. So build a dedicated room for your best friend, your music. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, please give us a thumbs up. We also have a newsletter that you can subscribe to, so please do that because we offer special price discounts to only those on our newsletter. And then don't forget about our forum. We have started a forum on our own website where people ask questions, and I usually get a chance every couple of days to look at it. There's an interchange between people on the forum, and we'll give you real answers on a regular basis, so that'll help you. Thank you.